Today I'm going to show you a luxury new construction model home in a new development in Palm Beach where they're building a town center, a hospital, more higher end amenities to attract businesses and residents, different home designs to choose from, and plenty of options to custom build your home or move in right away without the wait. So if you're looking to buy a home here and want to learn more about what this community has to offer, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I'm an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida. And I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So this home that we're walking up to now is this builder's most popular model, the Cozumel, and that is because it is their executive one-story home offering nearly 4,000 square feet under air with an expansive open concept floor plan and incredible luxury appointments and finishes throughout the entire home. Built as either a 3-bedroom home with an office or a 4-bedroom by adding an extra 15 feet off from the club room, each with their own ensuite bathroom and a powder room for guests, off from the great room, kitchen, and pool deck. This grand estate home is sure to impress and is built on the largest lots in Avenir. Inside of the Cozumel, you'll find 12-foot ceilings and a wide open central living space with views of the pool and backyard. Polished porcelain flooring throughout and a very contemporary chef's kitchen with double ovens, a gas range, commercial hood, and a walk-in pantry. The island is oversized and opens up to the great room, dining area, and club room while still maintaining views of the pool. While the master suite makes up the entirety of the right wing of the home with a spa-like bath, 2 deep walk-in closets, and a spacious primary bedroom. And with respect to this community that they're building here in Palm Beach Gardens, Avenir is a master plan development that will have nearly 4,000 homes across 4,500 acres of land where they're building out multiple unique communities, a town center approved for retail, offices, dining, and entertainment. There will be nature preserves and walking trails, parks, and a high-end luxury golf club. A new charter school is in the works, along with a comprehensive medical campus within Avenir with a 53,000 square foot hospital with emergency services, plus 75,000 square feet of office space with primary care specialists and other outpatient services. There will be several private clubhouses for the residents in different phases of the development, each with their own resort pools, cabanas, splashpads, sports courts, playgrounds, and event hall and fitness centers. And the new clubhouse that will be finished this year for the newest phases will have its own full-service restaurant on site with a nail salon, massage rooms, sauna and steam rooms, and an indoor sports complex. Avenir is setting itself up to be the focus of luxury resort-style property in the Western Palm Beach area for the next decade. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this and other homes that they have available here in Avenir that I can help you build or that are move-in ready, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. I've worked with this builder extensively and have experience working with and bringing clients to each and every builder here in South Florida. There's a lot to take in exploring new developments, and I'm here to help make the process less stressful and break down everything for you. So there's a huge benefit to have me on your side to answer all of your questions about the process from beginning through closing. And the builders compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this anywhere in Palm Beach, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.